In this scenario, Jules invited Sharif and Mark to enroll themselves in the Arabic and Gulf because he found out that it is interesting and to gain more friends. In this situation, Mark is the brother of Sharif. And here the scenario goes on the phone.
Ano mag-invite? Pwede mo yan. Ano? Ano ang na? Kada doon. Pare. Ano? Assalamualaikum. Alhamdulillah. Aturino al-sadudu al-lugha al-arabiyya sanadhabu ila Isba. Aturino al-tadabu ma'ana. Gadat.
After the conversation of Jules and Sharif, Jules called Matt to ask him if he also wanted to join them in the Arabic.
Hello. Assalamualaikum. هل تريد أن تدخل اللغة العربية؟ سنذهب إلى جدة. هل تريد أن تذهب معنا؟ غدا. والساعة الثالثة والنصف في الصباح. سنستطيع أمام الأكبر. عفوا.
Situation 2 in Arabic class. They are now enrolled in Sharia Testa, and after 4 weeks, they are now more familiar with the Arabic language. They are now competitive in listening, talking, reading, and writing using the Arabic language. And they are also familiar with Arabic culture. Situation 2.
Nasusay pa rin, nasusay. Maka-error na pag-ubusip.
Hello guys. How's your weekend, guys?
Labas.
Today, let us have our summary about the fundamentals of Arabic. Okay. How many letters are there in Arabic alphabet? There are 28 letters in Arabic alphabet. Who can name the 28 Arabic letters? Okay, man. Okay, excellent. Okay,
Uy, pag mo?
what is the direction of the Arabic script? Is it left,
Push na
right,
kami.
or right?
Saan mo na dyan lang?
Okay. Good. Writing. Capital letter exists in Arabic.
Safe na kami dyan.
The word break into two parts when you use it, you like.
Yes.
Can a word break into two parts when you need a new line?
Yes.
Yes. The answer is no. You cannot break a word. Unlike in English, you can still continue it in the next line. While in Arabic, you should bring the word down. Other in the Arabic script letters that never link with next one as well as the letter right before.
No. Dapat. La.
La. Dapat.
Good, good. How many types of vowels
Dapat.
do you find in Arabic in terms of their quantity or duration? Two. How many moon letters are there in Arabic alphabet? Okay, Jules. What is the other name for small letters? Alto Maria. How many sun letters? What is the other name for sun letters? Sam. Okay, good. Let's go to numbers. Can somebody write the letters from 0 to 9? Okay.